Imagine for a moment that future generations could reach back in time to speak to you. What would they say? Would they despair? Stop. We've no idea what's yet to come. Or would they give hope? Never stop trying for a better tomorrow. Keep imagining, believing, dreaming. Would they tell us of new machines, the secrets of progress? Would they plead with us to care for our world? The very nature of communication will grow in ways you can't possibly imagine, and it will change us forever.
These companies have incredible power.
You're going to hold the companies to account.
Data demands that there be regulation.
It's not being seen to do the right thing, it's about actually doing the right thing.
This future is arriving so fast that it becomes increasingly difficult to say what shape it will take.
The tools that we've created have been turned by others into weapons.
Here's the problem. Facebook, it has so much power. It is making a digital clone of our society.
We cannot remain silent in this century.
We need to do a better job of creating a really safe and inclusive workplace.
Build teams of people who believe in something bigger than just what they're working on. This is the biggest opportunity.
This is hope.
Across the vastness of time, the future calls out to us. And we must answer.